Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing? Welcome to DialHomeTech. A little bit of an unconventional video here today, but I did want to contact you guys and let you know what's been going on. I know it's been a few days since I've posted a video on the channel, and not all of you follow me on social media where I have provided some insight as to what's been going on lately. So this is a quick video. Just want to give everyone an update on what's going on and why you haven't seen any content up on the channel within the last few days. Well, the reason why it's because I've been completely redoing and remodeling my studio slash office here at home. And that includes also my my main PC, so where I do all my editing and things like that. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess here, but no longer just a single monitor. I'm installing dual ultra-wide monitors here on the setup, which is gonna help me a lot, you know, during editing and things like that. But really though, this is the main piece right here. Sorry about all the mess, but it's still a work in progress. I'm doing a fully custom built PC with water cooling system. So my first time doing water cooling. So this is pretty exciting to me. I'm kind of happy about it. And I've tried to document things along the way throughout the build and things like that to provide you guys some insight as to what the components that I'm using on this, as well as how I'm doing this process of building a PC and doing the water cooling as well. So with that being said, I really want to thank all of you guys for your support and all your help. And I want to thank you guys. Just today, I got an email right here. I've reached 90,000 views on the channel. So that is fantastic. Thank you all for the support, for the help, for, you know, always being there. And I will continue to produce the content that you guys have been watching. So again, thank you again. And I'll catch up with you guys on the next video, which should be coming up soon as I'm wrapping up the setup here on the office, as well as the new build. So that's that. I'll catch up with you guys soon, and I'll talk to you later. Until next time, I'm Dial. See ya.